Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of science. Have you ever wondered what stuff is made of? What makes up the things we see and use every day? Everything around us, from your shoes to spaceships, is made up of something we call matter. It's the fundamental building block of everything, that's right. Anything that takes up space and has weight is matter. It can be as tiny as a grain of sand or as massive as a mountain. Scientists love to organize things, so they've found ways to classify all this matter. They use different methods to understand and categorize it. One of the main ways we classify matter is by looking at its purity. This helps us understand its properties better. Is it a pure substance or is it a mixture of different things? This distinction is crucial in science. Think about it like this. Imagine a bowl of plain popcorn versus a bowl of trail mix. It's a simple yet effective analogy. The popcorn is like a pure substance because it's only one thing, while the trail mix is a mixture because it has different things like nuts, seeds, and chocolate. Each component adds to the complexity. Understanding matter helps us understand how the world works. It's the key to unlocking many scientific mysteries. It's like having a secret code to unlock the mysteries of the universe. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding the big picture. So get ready to put on your thinking caps and explore the amazing world of matter with me. There's so much to discover and learn. Let's start with pure substances. These are the fundamental components of chemistry. These are like the VIPs of the matter world. They stand out because of their unique characteristics. They're made up of just one type of ingredient, whether it's a single element or a compound. This purity gives them distinct properties. Think of a shiny gold bar. It's not just any metal, it's a pure element. It's made entirely of gold, a pure element. No other metals are mixed in. How about a sugar cube? It looks simple, but has a fascinating composition. It might surprise you, but it's also a pure substance called sucrose. This means it's made of only one type of molecule. Even though it comes from sugarcane, the process of making sugar refines it into a pure compound. This refinement ensures its purity. Pure substances have their own unique set of properties that never change. These properties are consistent and predictable. Gold will always have that shiny golden color, and sugar will always taste sweet. These traits are inherent to their nature. These consistent properties make pure substances super reliable for scientists and engineers. They can depend on these materials for accurate results in their experiments and projects. Now let's zoom in on the tiniest pure substances, elements. These are the fundamental building blocks of everything around us. Imagine the smallest Lego block you can think of. It's tiny, yet it can be part of something much bigger. That's kind of what an atom is like, the tiniest building block of an element. Atoms come together to form everything we see and touch. Elements are like the superheroes of the matter world. Each one has its own unique abilities and characteristics. Each element has its own unique properties and can't be broken down into simpler substances. Take oxygen, for example. It's vital for our survival. It's what we breathe and it's essential for life. Or how about carbon? This element is incredibly versatile. It's found in everything from diamonds to pencils to you and me. Carbon is a key component of all known life. There are over 100 known elements, and they're all organized on a handy chart called the periodic table. This chart helps scientists understand and predict the properties of elements. Think of it like the ultimate superhero team, each with its own special powers. Together, they make up everything in the universe. But what happens when we combine these superhero elements? We get compounds. Compounds are formed when two or more elements join forces in a chemical reaction. It's like a superhero team-up, creating something entirely new and different. Take sodium and chlorine, for example. Sodium is a soft, silvery metal, and chlorine is a poisonous gas. But when they combine, they form something we use every day, table salt. Compounds have their own unique properties that are different from the elements they're made of. Water, for instance, is made from the elements hydrogen and oxygen. Both are gases at room temperature, but when they combine, they form a liquid that's essential.